Let's fix your iPhone if it's not turning on or the screen is black. Now, if you have your iPhone and no matter what you do, even if you press and hold that power button, it doesn't turn on. There are a couple different steps that we can get that fixed. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is getting a charging cable, plug it into a computer or the wall. Now, you're going to plug your phone in, and keep in mind, even if you don't see anything on that screen, it could still be charging. So plug it in and leave it for 20 or 30 minutes. Again, even if you don't see anything on the screen. However, let's say you've plugged it in for a while and you still see a black screen. It doesn't do anything. At that point, all you need to do is do a force restart on it, and this usually fixes it. To be able to do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then we're going to press and hold that side button until we see an Apple logo. Again, volume up, volume down, press and hold. So I'll show you how to do it. Let's press volume up, volume down, and I'm going to press and hold this side button. Now keep pressing it until you see that Apple logo appear. Again, this is a forced restart of it or a forced refresh of it. And a lot of times get your phone to be turning on if it's not originally turning on or it's stuck either off or on but with a black screen.